In the heart of medieval England, there was a village where legends were born. A young blacksmith named Thomas dreamed of becoming a knight. One fateful day, Thomas ventured into the enchanted greenwood forest. There, he discovered an ancient, abandoned castle said to hold the secrets of bravery and valor. Within its walls, Thomas found the ghost of a fallen knight who pledged to teach him the art of chivalry. Under the knight's guidance, Thomas honed his skills and grew stronger every day. Years later, Thomas entered a grand tournament, proving his worth and earning his place among the knights. And so the blacksmith's dream was fulfilled as he rode into legend, forever known as Sir Thomas the Brave.